Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is 10th question of its exercise 3.5. So the question says that determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. So our पास रूल होता है divisibility rule. The number is divisible by 5 and 9, then the number is divisible by 45. So firstly हम check कर लेंगे. 25110 is divisible by 5 and 9. So 5, then 9, then 45. So unit digit 5 है. So 0 and 5 होता है तो it divisible by 5. So यहाँ पे unit digit 0 है. So it's divisible by 5. 9. So divisibility rule of 9 is sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Then number is also divisible by 9. So 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8 plus 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So the number complete 25,110 is also divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 5 and 9. So the number also divisible by 45. So yes, 25,110 is divisible by 45. Thank you.